Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how students can benefit from Trim. College life is hectic and expensive, but Trim makes managing your money as a student simple and smart. Let me show you. First, start by linking your bank accounts to Trim because it will instantly give you a financial overview showing your income, expenses, and of course subscriptions. Trim helps you spot and cancel unused subscriptions like streaming services that you forgot that you had. You can also set budgets and spending alerts so you don't overspend on food, textbooks, or late night snacks. If you need to save up for spring break or tuition, use Trim savings goals to automate small transfers and stay on track. The best part, Trim works quietly in the background, helping you build good money habits without the stress. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.